Let's just get started. ChatGPT was primarily made for translations and summarization. So those are some things that it can do with a breeze. Okay. So suppose I want to summarize this blog. I will copy my prompt from here. I will go to the blog and select the whole blog first. Okay. You don't have to copy paste it or do something like that. You just have to select it. So that is something I have to do. As you can see, a tiny box that appeared over here saying Control M. Now I can click on it, or actually can press Control M on my keyboard, Command M for Mac, and if Command M is not working for you, you can change the shortcut as well. So let me paste my command over here, and let me just press enter right now. So if I press enter, as you can see, it says, please keep your prompt plus context under 3500 words. So what is prompt? What is context? Whatever I've given over here is prompt. Whatever is here is context. So combinedly, it has to be under 3500 words. That is a limitation provided by provided here. So that is you have to maintain. So obviously there is a certain limitation while inputting it. Yeah. So let's just select a shorter amount of text and try it again. I will just not select one line and try it. And yeah, it started. And as you can see over here, what I have mentioned properly summarize this blog into bulleted format. So it has created these bullets for me. Okay. For Instagram post carousel in 10 points. So if you count all of those, you will actually find 10 points only. You can copy the result from here, just click on it, that's it. And if you don't like the result, you can refresh it as well. Though keep in mind, every refresh will count as a new query. Okay. Now let's go to our next use case. Suppose you are in some of the social medias, you want to reply something, because nowadays to engage with people, to grow your social media, to grow your face, you need to do it right. So that is something uh, lots of people has used Merlin for. So I will just click on it, press this, and let's hope it creates a great reply for me. Yeah. And as you can see, it has actually generated a for me. Okay, it found some better replies. Okay, so as you can see, it has generated a hashtag for me as well. Okay, so it can easily depend, like Merlin can easily detect if you are in some kind of social media or not, and on the basis of that, it can suggest you hashtags mentioned sometimes. Okay, sometimes only. This is not like definite, because all of it is depending on ChatGPT only, right? So let's go to our next use case. That is replying to a mail, or like suppose creating a new mail. Now you don't have to be in a particular website to bring in Merlin, though it will not work in blank page, that means new tab page. If I press Ctrl M over here, it will not work. Okay, I have to be on some of the web pages. So I am in Merlin's landing page right now. I will press Ctrl M and give my prompt. So I'm giving a prompt: write a cold mail for collaborating in YouTube video with Mr. Beast, and I will simply click on enter. And yeah, as you can see, it started generating the message, right? And yeah, that's about it. So it will generate the whole email for me. And as you can see, like I was waiting for this only. As you can see, it gives you in templated format. So it is really easy for you to know where to place your name, or maybe suppose you are creating a work related mail, so where to put your occupation or something like that, right? Now let's go to next thing. So I can actually do rest of the queries over here as well, because I don't have to go to any particular website for it. So suppose I want to generate a really complex Excel formula, so Merlin can do that as well. Like I have written over here, write a Excel formula to multiply every alternative row of column A till 10th row and divide it by 100. So I have selected it. and as you can see, the Merlin prompt is already gone. So just to make make this tiny little box less annoying for you, we have made this auto closing function, so you don't get annoyed if you're like using it for any other purpose, like you are selecting it for any other purpose. So I will just click on it, and as you can see, my prompt is over here as well, and I will just press enter. So if your prompt is already selected, you can just press enter as well. Now here is the formula, and obviously it's a really complex formula that it has generated. You can try it on, and that's it. And now many of our users has used it for code generations, code explanation, code simplification, some tasks like that. So suppose I want to generate a SQL query to create a PostGrid function to generate nano ID. So I will simply click on Merlin and press enter. It will start here. It will start generating it for me. So yeah, quite possible. And let's go to code simplification option. So I will just copy my prompt from here. Sorry, my screen is zoomed in. I will just select the whole